Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's episode, I'm going to be making a cranberry green salad. So let's start with the ingredients. So of course you're going to need some kind of lettuce, and I prefer to use a spring mix so you get different kinds. It is also good if there's some spinach in the salad as well. Also some cherry tomatoes. You can use any kind of tomatoes. I just like the sweetness of the cherry tomatoes. Also, you're going to need this kind of salad topper, or pretty much you can just buy separate. This is a mix of dried cranberries, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds. But this one is really good. You also need some salt, some sesame oil. We're going to make this a little bit Asian-inspired green salad. And just some black pepper to taste. And you can add any other kind of salad spices that you may like. You can also add some fresh herbs like dill or parsley, but I'm going to keep it very simple today. It is a very great salad, very healthy for you, very light tasting, and it's great if you're vegetarian as well. So let's start making this. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take a salad bowl, and I'm just going to be making a portion for 2 people today. You're going to take your salad. I know most of these salads in the box say they're triple washed, but usually I still prefer to rinse mine out just to really make sure. So I kind of just dried it a little bit. I let it sit and just drain some of the water. You can also use a salad spinner if you want to make the lettuce really dry. But I'm going to keep it like this. So you just make a salad like this. And now we're just going to take the cherry tomatoes and we're going to cut them in half. It's also very nice if you can buy different colored tomatoes. The salad looks really beautiful if you have different colors like yellow, orange, and red. But I'm just going to do the red cherry tomatoes today. Okay, now the tomatoes are sliced. Let's take our salad. And this is a really quick salad to make. Very few ingredients. It is very affordable. And they should be pretty easy to find ingredients. Hopefully sesame oil is available everywhere now. So you can just go ahead and assemble the salad. And just facing the tomatoes up just makes it look a little bit nicer. Now let's go ahead and open one of these salad toppers. And I'm going to start with 1 package. Usually 1 package is good enough for 2 people. And I did cut about 10 cherry tomatoes. And you're just going to sprinkle this all around your salad. Of course, the seeds are really good for you. They have some healthy fats in it for you. Dry cranberries are really good for you as well. Plus it gives the salad a little bit of sweetness from the cranberries and a nice crunch from all these seeds. And now, for the dressing part, we want to keep it pretty healthy today. So we're just going to add some salt to taste, as well as some black pepper or any kind of other spices you like to put in your salad, like all-purpose seasoning maybe. And the very last thing I'm going to do for the salad, nothing else except the sesame oil. So I'm not adding any vinegars or anything today. Just like a tablespoon, maybe a little bit less, of sesame oil. And that's all for the dressing. Okay, so that's everything. Like I said, very simple to make, very few ingredients, but tastes kind of very good. Definitely try it out. It is really great with all the barbecued meats. So like always, let's see up close. So this is a green salad. We just have some green spring mix, some cherry tomatoes, and a mix of different nuts and cranberries. And just for the dressing, only sesame oil, nothing else. So definitely give it a try. Share with you what kind of summer salads you like to make. I like to make this in the summer for the barbecues. And thank you so much for watching like always. And I'll see you in my next recipe. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.